Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk with Evelyn and Michael. I am so happy you are here with us today.
Hey guys, it is great to see you again. I am Michael.
And I am Evelyn. Today, we have a very special, long episode planned for you.
That is right. We are going to do a deep dive into shadowing. Evelyn, for our new listeners, can you explain what shadowing actually is?
Of course, shadowing is a technique where you listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately after the speaker, like a shadow following a body.
Exactly. It is not just about listening. It's about moving your mouth. It helps your muscles remember how to speak English.
Encouraging. Today, we are going to practice daily life conversations. We'll say a sentence, and then we'll leave a quiet space, just like that, for you to repeat it.
We want you to speak out loud. Don't be shy. No one is watching, just us and the blue screen.
That is right. Okay, are you ready? We're going to start with something very simple, morning routines.
Everyone has a morning routine. I know I am useless without my coffee.
Oh, I know that for a fact, Michael. You are a zombie before 9 a.m.
It is true. Okay, listeners, let's start. I will say the sentence, then you repeat it during the pause. Here we go.
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
I usually hit the snooze button.
I usually hit the snooze button.
The first thing I do is drink water.
The first thing I do is drink water.
Good job. How was that? It feels a bit strange at first, right, Michael?
It does. When I was learning Spanish, I felt silly talking to myself in my room. But trust me, it works. It connects your brain to your tongue.
Absolutely. Let's make the sentences a little longer now, still focusing on the morning.
Okay, listen closely to the rhythm.
I need a strong cup of coffee to start my day.
I need a strong cup of coffee to start my day.
After breakfast, I brush my teeth and get dressed.
After breakfast, I brush my teeth and get dressed.
I check my emails before I leave the house.
I check my emails before I leave the house.
Excellent! You're doing great.
Evelyn, do you actually check your emails before you leave the house? I try not to. It stresses me out.
I do. I like to know what's waiting for me, but I understand why you wouldn't want to. It can be overwhelming.
Yeah, I prefer to listen to music on my commute. It helps me wake up.
Oh, that is a great topic for our next section, commuting and getting around, whether you drive, take the bus, or walk.
Let's do it. These are sentences you can use every single day.
The traffic was terrible this morning.
The traffic was terrible this morning.
I barely caught the bus on time.
I barely caught the bus on time.
It takes me 30 minutes to get to work.
It takes me 30 minutes to get to work.
I prefer walking when the weather is nice.
I prefer walking when the weather is nice.
I love that last one. Walking is so refreshing.
Unless it's raining, then it's miserable.
True. Very true. Okay, let's shift gears a little bit. We've done the morning. We've done the commute. What happens next?
Work or school. Interaction with colleagues.
Right. Small talk. This is something so many of our listeners ask about. How do I start a conversation with a coworker?
It can be scary. You don't want to say the wrong thing, but keeping it simple is key.
Exactly. Let's practice some easy greetings and small talk questions.
Ready when you are.
Good morning. How was your weekend?
Good morning. How was your weekend?
Did you see the game last night?
Did you see the game last night?
It is freezing outside today, isn't it?
It is freezing outside today, isn't it?
I like your shirt. Where did you get it?
I like your shirt. Where did you get it?
That last one is a compliment. Compliments are the best way to make friends.
I agree. If someone tells me they like my shoes, I am instantly happy.
Even if your shoes are old and dirty?
Especially then. It means they really have good taste.
Okay, let's get a bit more advanced. Sometimes we have to talk about problems or asking for help.
This is important. You need to be polite but clear.
Let's try some sentences for asking for assistance.
Could you help me with this report?
Could you help me with this report?
I'm not sure I understand what you mean.
I am not sure I understand what you mean.
Can you please repeat that more slowly?
Can you please repeat that more slowly?
Do you have a moment to talk?
Do you have a moment to talk?
That phrase, do you have a moment, is very useful. It shows respect for the other person's time.
Yes, and saying, I am not sure I understand, is much better than just nodding and pretending. Never pretend you understand if you don't.
Never. It always leads to trouble later. Just ask. People are usually happy to explain.
Okay, we have worked hard. Let's talk about something fun. Food.
Finally, my favorite topic.
I knew you would say that. Let's practice ordering food or talking about lunch. This is practical for everyone.
Let's go. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
I'm starving. Let's get some lunch.
I'm starving. Let's get some lunch.
What do you feel like eating today?
What do you feel like eating today?
I think I will have the chicken salad.
I think I will have the chicken salad.
Can I get this to go, please?
Can I get this to go, please?
Michael, do you usually eat out or bring lunch?
I try to bring lunch to save money, but sometimes the smell of pizza is too strong to resist.
I know the feeling. Shadowing is hard work, so maybe we deserve a pizza after this recording.
Deal, but we have a lot more to cover first.
We do. We're going to move into a slightly different exercise now. Instead of just single sentences, we're going to do a short dialogue.
Right. Evelyn and I will have a short conversation. We'll say it normally first, then we'll break it down sentence by sentence for you to shadow.
The scenario is, we're two friends running into each other at the supermarket.
Action.
Michael, I haven't seen you in ages.
Michael, wow, what a surprise. How have you been?
I've been good, just really busy with work. And you?
Same here. Life is crazy. We should grab coffee soon.
Definitely. Text me later, okay?
I will. Great seeing you.
Okay, cut. That was a typical fast interaction. Now let's slow it down for you to practice.
Remember, copy our emotion too. Don't sound like a robot. Sound surprised.
Michael, I haven't seen you in ages.
Michael, wow, what a surprise. How have you been?
Wow, what a surprise.
Wow, what a surprise. How have you been?
How have you been?
How have you been?
I've been good, just really busy with work.
I've been good, just really busy with work.
We should grab coffee soon.
We should grab coffee soon.
Definitely. Text me later.
Definitely. Text me later.
Wonderful. I hope you put some energy into that wow.
If you didn't, go back and try again. Emotion is part of the language. If you say wow with a flat voice, it sounds sarcastic.
That is a very good point. Intonation changes meaning.
Let's talk about hobbies and free time. What do people do when they are not working or shopping?
Watching movies, reading, exercising. Let's do some sentences about the weekend.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I am planning to just relax at home.
I am planning to just relax at home.
I might go to the cinema on Saturday.
I might go to the cinema on Saturday.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Have you seen any good movies lately?
I actually saw a great comedy last night. I laughed so hard my stomach hurt.
Those are the best kinds of movies. I love a good comedy.
Transitioning. Listeners, you are doing an amazing job. We are deep into this session now. If your jaw feels tired, that is a good sign.
It means you're working those muscles. Shake it out if you need to. We're going to move on to expressing opinions.
This is crucial. You need to be able to say what you think.
Here are some phrases to help you agree or disagree politely.
I totally agree with you.
I totally agree with you.
I see your point, but I disagree.
I see your point, but I disagree.
Personally, I think it's a great idea.
Personally, I think it's a great idea.
I'm not sure that's the best solution.
I'm not sure that's the best solution.
Notice how soft that last disagreement was? I'm not sure. It's much nicer than saying, no, that is wrong.
Nods. English speakers often soften their disagreement. It's polite.
Curious, Evelyn, what is something you feel strongly about?
I think pineapple belongs on pizza.
Oh no, Evelyn. We were getting along so well.
I knew that would trigger you. See, listeners, he disagrees.
I strongly disagree, but I respect your opinion.
Mostly. Let's move on before we start a food fight. Let's talk about the weather. It's the most common small talk topic in the world.
You can talk about weather with anyone, a taxi driver, a boss, a stranger in an elevator.
Let's practice some weather observations.
It's supposed to rain all day.
It's supposed to rain all day.
The humidity is terrible today.
The humidity is terrible today.
It's finally starting to feel like summer.
It's finally starting to feel like summer.
I hope the sun comes out later.
I hope the sun comes out later.
I love the summer, but I hate the humidity. It ruins my hair.
It ruins everyone's hair, Michael, but the sunshine makes it worth it.
True. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground. I want to do a section on fillers.
Fillers? You mean words like and ah?
Sort of. I mean natural hesitation phrases, things you say while you're thinking. It makes you sound fluent.
Ah, I see. Like, let me think about that.
Exactly. If you just stay silent, it's awkward. You need to make a noise to show you're thinking.
This is advanced tips here. Let's shadow these thinking phrases.
That's a good question. Let me think.
That's a good question. Let me think.
Well, actually, I'm not sure.
Well, actually, I'm not sure.
How should I put this?
How should I put this?
You know what I mean.
You know what I mean.
You know what I mean is used all the time. Sometimes people say it 10 times in one conversation.
It is a habit, a filler habit, but it makes the conversation flow better than dead silence.
We are getting close to the end of our marathon, but we cannot finish without talking about saying goodbye.
Ending a conversation gracefully. You don't just walk away.
Here are some ways to end a chat and say goodbye.
It was great talking to you.
It was great talking to you.
I have to run, but let's catch up soon.
I have to run, but let's catch up soon.
Have a good rest of your day.
Have a good rest of your day.
Take care. See you later.
Take care. See you later.
I really like I have to run. It sounds busy but friendly.
Yes, it implies you don't want to leave, but you must.
Michael, we have shadowed morning routines, commuting, work, food, hobbies, opinions, and goodbyes.
That is a lot of English practice. If you made it this far, you are a champion.
We recommend you listen to this video again, maybe while you're cleaning or driving.
Repetition is the mother of learning. The more you hear it, the more natural it becomes.
Curious. Michael, before we go, what is your top tip for our listeners for this week?
My tip is record yourself. Use your phone. Record yourself saying these sentences and listen to it. Compare it to our voices.
That is brave, but it is the best way to hear your own accent and improve it.
Exactly. Don't be hard on yourself. Just be curious.
Well, that is all for this special, long episode of Talk with Evelyn and Michael.
Thank you so much for practicing with us. We are so proud of you.
Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. It helps other learners find us.
And subscribe for more speaking practice. We have more great topics coming up.
Keep shadowing, keep speaking, and we will see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.